perfect guy. I can't have a bad temper, make a big fuss and cry. And I know that lately it's been hard, we had a bumpy ride. But if you give me one more chance, I make it effortless. So if you want to come back home, I will cook you Sunday breakfast for week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. Love has given us wings, and we're supposed to go high. Life got in the way, and we forgot to fly.
豆腐很好吃，看起来很好，可是比较辣。海鲜煎饼好吃吗？
好吃，拜拜。
This time is the perfect summer night. Those three words are spelled out in your eyes. But before I go on, say something wrong. I just hope and bite my tongue. Cause you've been told too many times before. Yeah, you've been told so many times before. So I'm gonna try with something new. And I've never said that I love you.
When the line between us just fades and blurs, that's the time when we just don't need more words. Cause you've been told too many times before. Yeah, you've been told so many times before. So I'm gonna try with something new. And I'll never say that I love you. Yes, I'm gonna try with something new. And I'll never say that I love you.
the guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I've nothing, I've her all, and then you don't. But all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love, you know, let's do me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to Rome. A full-front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, but then we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating.